So guys, here I've got my channel page open. Okay. What if I want to go to my desktop within 1 second? So I can just press Windows plus D. So this will bring over to my desktop here. Guys, our next trick is going to be, suppose you're sitting in your office room. Suddenly you want to go somewhere else and your PC is on. You want to lock or shut off your PC temporarily in 1 second. Well, how do you do it? Just press Windows plus L. So once you press Windows plus L, it will automatically go on the home screen and it will lock the PC. Again, you can come back, enter the password and log in back. Trick number 3. Suppose you have got lots of apps and programs open on your device. What if you wanted to minimize them all at the same time? Well, you cannot go and click over the minimize icon for each of them. So what you can do is, you can rather just press on Windows plus M. So this will automatically minimize all the open programs on your device. Guys, trick number 4 is how to save multiple items in your copy paste list at once. That is your clipboard. So guys, when you copy one thing, it gets saved. But when you copy again a new thing, the newer thing gets saved when the older one gets deleted. Well, you can solve that problem by using Windows clipboard. So for that, you have to press Windows plus V. First time you press Windows plus V, you will get a prompt here to start up Windows clipboard. Well, once you start it, what you can do is, every time you copy something, it will get stored over here. So even if you copied something 2-3 times back, you can come and press Windows plus V and check it here. You can also save it forever permanently as pinning it in the clipboard list. Guys, now next trick is going to be opening all the programs on your device with your keyboard and not your mouse. Well, let me explain. Now if I want to open Chrome on my device that is here, I have to go onto the Chrome icon and click on it. Now if I wanted to open several apps, this can be a hindrance. So let me show you a quick shortcut trick. So suppose so assume this bottom part will be your taskbar. Alright, suppose now you want to launch the app Chrome. So it is second on my taskbar because the first is Adobe's app, then second is Chrome, third is File Explorer, fourth is Code, etc. Okay, so now if I want to launch up Chrome, I need to press Windows plus 2. So that will launch up the second program on my taskbar. Similarly, if I want to launch the last program on a taskbar, I can say Windows plus 9 or Windows plus 3 for the third program, fourth program, similarly in that way. Guys, next trick is, suppose you want to launch up your settings very fast. Well, how do you do it? You search settings and then you press enter and launch it. Well, let me show you a 1 second trick that can launch settings. Just press on Windows plus I and that will launch up the settings application for you. Guys, suppose you want to send emojis to some person. Then you have to go onto that emoji icon, search the emoji, select the emoji, press enter, etc. Well, what if I told you can get all of those emojis within 1 second? Just press Windows plus the period full stop or the period or the full stop icon. So your settings or a pop-up will come up on the screen and here you will be able to see your emojis. Now whatever I type, it will automatically search it in this emoji list. So that's how you can use it and search emojis. Guys, now suppose you want to launch up your Files app. Okay, so you will go onto your Files app, you will navigate through it and etc. Well, let me show you a quick trick that you can launch your Files app. So you just have to press Windows plus E. Guys, suppose you want to get an entire preview of your device. Well, what you can do is you can press on Windows plus tab. So that will show you all the open apps as well as the entire laptop. Guys, the last thing that I'm going to mention for today, suppose you want to access administrative settings, you want to sign out the user, you want to do some administrative work or some important settings related to work which is not accessible in the general settings. What you can do is you can press Ctrl Alt Delete. So when you press Ctrl Alt Delete, a screen will come up where you can see to log out, switch out, change the network settings, all that. The administrative work will come up when you press Ctrl Alt and Delete. So that's it guys for today's video, and if you have learned some new and amazing keyboard shortcut tricks that make your technological life simpler, better and more efficient, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and comment. So till then, bye and hope to see you in another awesome video. Bye.